Welcome, wanderer. Are you tired of the relentless cacophony of city life? Do you yearn for a sanctuary where tranquility reigns supreme and nature's embrace soothes the soul? If so, then allow me to introduce you to a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Bulgaria, Hillview House near Veliko, Tarnovo and Ruse. Imagine a solid stone foundation house, standing proudly for nearly a century, its handmade double brick walls weathered by time yet standing strong. Picture 1078 square meters of fertile land, adorned with bountiful fruit trees, beckoning you to cultivate your own slice of paradise. This is more than just a home, it's an opportunity to embrace a simpler way of life. Perched at the edge of one of Bulgaria's most enchanting villages, this traditional two-story house exudes rustic charm and authenticity. With a spacious basement, multiple rooms, and even a barn awaiting transformation, the possibilities are as vast as the surrounding countryside. But let me ask you, dear viewer, as you contemplate your next move, where do you hail from? And what thoughts stir within you at the mention of Bulgaria? Share your musings with us in the comments below. As you ponder, consider the allure of this idyllic setting. Electric currents hum softly, while crystal-clear water flows from the mains. And with fast broadband internet at your fingertips, you're never far from the modern world, even as you revel in the serenity of nature's embrace. Yet, it's not just the tangible amenities that make this property special. It's the intangible allure of a life untethered from the chaos of urban existence. Here, you can explore lush forests, meander along babbling rivers, and immerse yourself in the simple pleasures of rural living. So, I implore you, seize the moment. Contact us without delay, for opportunities like this are rare indeed. Leave a comment, like our video, and subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing glimpses into Bulgaria's hidden treasures. We are BulgarianPropertyFinder.com, and we eagerly await your presence in our next adventure. Until then, may tranquility guide your path.